This is break number 4627, Bowman Tier One. We have a 25% filler to run. It's going to fill up our remaining 6 spots in this break. Your fillers in this one, we have Avery K, John R, John A, Ricardo V for 2, Tom H, Isaac E, Josh F, Travis A, Paul B, Alex M, Robert W, Justin L, 505, Ian V for 2, Rodney W, Jesse T, Eric T for 2, Spencer King, Ricardo V for 2, and Dan Ali. That is going to be 24 names. Top 6 are going to advance on into the break. And we are going to go, we got to go at least 4 times. That is our break rules. Let's go 7 times. Top 6 are going to make it on into the break. Good luck to my fillers. Good luck, fillers. There is 3, there is 4, there is 5, 6, and your top 6 are going to be Ian V, Ricardo V, Justin L, Eric T, Paul B, and Ricardo for a second one. Ricardo on fire. Congratulations, Ricardo, for 2. Somebody is hours behind. Hitting the downtown. That was a giveaway done hours ago. Somebody tell Benja Boston to hit live. I was watching hours ago. 505, I'm sorry. It's okay. You can throw tomatoes at me. It's okay. I'll take your tomatoes. All right. Your combos in this one. This is Tier 1 in Bowman, so we're going with the Diamondbacks and White Sox, the Rays and the Phillies, and the Rangers and the Blue Jays is your combo spots. Brandon B up top, down to Ricardo on the bottom. You guys can throw tomatoes at me. That's okay. Let's go 11 times. 11 times on your names. 11 times on your teams. And good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3. There is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is 11 with Ian V up top, all the way down to Robert W on the bottom. Diamondbacks, White Sox up top, all the way down to the Nationals going to be on the bottom. 11 times for your teams. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that is 11 right there. We're going Dodgers up top. Mets on the bottom. Dodgers on top, just like today's game, unfortunately. Ian with the Dodgers, Corey with the Cubs, Aaron M with the Pirates, Fergo with the Royals, Justin L with the Angels, Brandon B with the Rays and Phillies, Josh C with my Mariners, Mark T with the Yankees, Eli with the Diamondbacks, White Sox, Solomon Giants, Brian V with the Padres, Russell P with the Braves, Eric T with the Rockies, Steve A with the A's, Danny C with the Nationals, Paul B with the Astros, Steve A with the Tigers, Family Pack with the Red Sox, Alex M with the Marlins, Aaron D with the Reds, Slap the Bag with the Cardinals, Randy L with the Orioles, Ricardo with the Twins, Rangers, and Blue Jays, Solomon with the Guardians, Caitlin with the Brewers, and Robert W with the Mets. Give you guys a minute to talk trades if you would like. And now would be the time for you guys to talk trades. Brewers clinched everything, didn't even have to win. Hey, if you are clinching, you don't want to clinch on somebody else losing. You want to clinch on a win. That's the powerhouse. That's the way to do it. Braves for Astros being offered. Marlins are up for trade. We got trades in the chat. Had a good run for a month, hitting solo fillers, says 505. Sorry. Diamondbacks horrific pitching, costing them the postseason. Alright, I'm going to step aside. JML is going to rip this one for you guys. This is the second half of our Tier 1 case from Tuesday night. I believe it was Tuesday we started this one. I don't think we saw anything crazy in the first half of this one.
I think you did it too.
Yeah, I think I dusted everybody.
Yeah, you dusted. Very, very dusty. Very dusty. All right. How we doing? I'm back. RGL is good at the dusting. Dusted me all night so far. 2 top loads. It's okay. What's up, John K? Yeah, because I had to make the deal with the devil, JWJ. The JWJ trade. I had to sell my... What's up, Kai? What's up, John K? Eric, Russell. Eggs, the villain. Should open up all the boxes, put all the packs. That'd be awesome. Remember when you did that? You had like a pile.
I do.
All right. I know, Peter Johnson. 14 out of 150. Wow, that's sick. Brett Bateman, team color. 14 out of 150 going to Corey. I'm gonna one-touch that. That's nice. That's really nice. Roki. That's nice. Justin Fields got a ball. I did not like Justin Fields. He's not my quarterback. He's not my quarterback. Put my hat on backwards because we got the green screen. Always forget that his hat has the green. 1 Bateman per box on average. Man, the Cubs generally hit in Bowman this year. Bowman Chrome. Very nice. First one touch of the break. Jason Bateman's son. I don't think it's Jason Bateman's son, but we can pretend like it is. Kumar Rocker, the MVP. We have a gold that came to the league. Ah, it's Dylan Cruz for the Nats. That's nice. Very nice. 37 out of 50. It came to the league. Probably not a one-touch, but nice way to start the break. 2 packs, 2 decent cards out the gate. Dylan Cruz. I mean, if anyone has a comp on one, that'd be nice, but it's a blue team color, Taylor. What are you, the one-touch police? The one-touch lawyer? Deshaun Watson's lawyer, maybe? Come on. At least I got a laugh out of you. Lawrence Butler. Hyverson Lopez for the Guardians. That's going to go to Solomon. Non-numbered. McAble. 242 out of 399. Vanderlei. Ah, see? Taylor's laughing. I like it. I like it. Mick looked great. Bubba Chandler looked pretty good, too. Bubba Chandler. Pirates, if they could actually get good owners, that'd be great. He came to the league, got sent back, so ready to come back to the league. He'll be all right. This is a $100 Nick Kurtz. Going to the A's, going to Steve A. There we go. Roki. Shota and Layton, DJ Layton. Nice one. Yep, red shield, red rookie shield for Kurtz. Last pack of our first box. Agustin Ramirez. He's having a good year. Jose Anderson. We got Willie Adames. 83 out of 2 off the bounty. Out of 299, San Fran Solomon. Yahil Melendez, another one for the Cubbies. 60 out of 75. Colson Montgomery, yeah, he's going to be good. Your, what's his face? The ownership there for Chicago's not great. Not great at all. Jerry Reinsdorf. Alright. Yeah, it's like 100 in, what was it, Fanatics Cash or something like that. You have to read about that red rookie program. I think they have a thing on their site about it. I think he's still the owner. Robert Jr. Yeah. He has no trade value, though. Like, teams don't even want to pick him up. Didn't he bat under 200 this year again? We got Kumar Rocker. Auto. Bill Delzine. For Boston. Going to Family Pack. Travis Bazzana came to the league. Bo Davidson. Will be the owner until he... Okay, 2033. That's great. How old is he? What an auto. I mean, most of these people, like, in this set, like, he is... You know, they're international free agents, a lot of the players in Bowman Chrome, so... English not their first language, and writing their autograph is actually pretty difficult. So Dylan Cruz, red rookie, Condon. Batista, that's sick. Team color match, 23 out of 99 for the Mariners. Seattle going to Josh. Nice looking card. Agreed to sell, but not outright. That's crazy. All right, for your who's your guys' favorite team in baseball? And would you change the ownership of your team if you had the choice? And who would you want to own your team? I would want Mark Cuban to own the Yankees. I think that would be cool. Zach Veen, Steinbrenners, they're not great anymore. 163 out of 199. Marco for the Brewers going at Caitlin. You want JML as an owner. Cardinals and yes. Rangers and I'm happy with the owners. Reds, yes. And literally anyone else. Arte Moreno for the Angels needs to go. O's. You want to keep your... Okay. Orange. We got orange, guys. That's an auto. Alright, this could be a really... there we go. Refractor, 273 out of 499. Cal Fountain. For San Diego. San Diego is Brian. Max Clark. Christopher Acosta. Maury. Royalby. I thought Moreno was going to sell like a couple years ago. It's a first. Wow, that's just nasty. Jordan Sanchez, team color for Baltimore. 24 out of 25. That's pretty nasty looking. Going to Randy. We're going to one-touch it. He's not like a tier 1 guy, but still, team color Baltimore. Nate George, the better guy. That is a cool card. Sanchez. That Sanchez is dirty. You guys are crazy. Angels did want to relocate. I remember that. Nice Sanchez. Congrats to Randy with that one. Shohei Ohtani going to win his 4th MVP. Cam Smith, red rookie. Walker Jenkins, Dolander, 41 out of 199. Colorado going to RT. Max Clark. And Tommy White. Tommy White, 22 years old, looks 42. You want the White Sox to Nashville? That'd be interesting. Tell Marte, how's their attendance over there in Chicago? Jacob Christian, not for the Cubs, for the White Sox. Shataro, numbered, 213 out of 250. How much is that worth right now? Go to Steve A. Here you go, Steve A. The comp for the Sanchez is 2,000. That's crazy. Is that like what it's listed for, or it's actually sold? The Kroenke suck, but they have 5 titles in 3 sports. That is true. All right, last Bowman Chrome hobby. What do we got coming up next? Downtown Bound football. Last sold to 80 on the Shotaro. That's nice. $80 card. Sold? Really? Last Sanchez orange sold for 600. And we got a bunch of differing comps, RGL. Got a bunch of different comps. Kobe Mayo. McCutcheon. DJ Layton for Baltimore. Baltimore is Randy. Christian Campbell. They had Christian Campbell playing first base. It was offered. Okay. I believe you. I believe you. I don't know what that is. Maybe just a backwards card. Cade Horton is not going to be ready for the playoffs. It's just... Oh. It's an international refractor for the Blue Jays. Christopher Polanco. Going to Ricardo. These are cool. They go for like 50 to $100 or more, depending on the player. So the sale was 600 on that orange auto. That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you, guys. And if he does anything, it's going to be... All the Baltimore fans going to go crazy for it. Or any collectors. The team colors always sell for a bit higher. Blake Snell. Cade Horton. Zach Cole. Nice one. For Houston, not numbered. Going to Paul B. Houston fans, high on Zach Cole. Yeah, it's the Dominican Republic. International Refractor. See a Cardinal card. Well, we'll see one eventually. Auto, oh man, that's so close. 287 out of 499. Liberts Aponte. Going to Cincinnati. Going to Aaron. Edry Torres, 106 out of 250. Also for Cincinnati. Cincinnati is Aaron in this break. Couple packs left, and we go into Tier 1. All right, we got Matt Shaw, James Wood, Red Rookie, Noah Cameron, Bazana. I think we're at a good pace, RGL. Time-wise. They're asking me about time. Are we, like, ahead of schedule, or... We're on schedule.
We always said it, so there's plenty of time. We're like,
You want a JJ Weatherholt? Don't you want Ronel Rodriguez? Isn't that the guy you want in this last pack? McAble. Medina. Walker Bueller, 108 at 299. Diego Torns, 85. That's a bounty. Atlanta, Russell. Oh my God, Russell for 800. Dude, Russell, what are you? Damn. Look at you, bounty emotes, Russell. There you go. Russell. You hit the minor bounty for 800. We get with you as, you know, if you want store credit, however you want it. There you go. Congrats to Russell. All store credit. All right, yeah. Store credit. I'll write that down. All right. Tier 1. Good luck. I know some teams need to hit. Slap the bag. Looking for a cardinal. Looking for a red bird. Very awesome. You guys are awesome. The whole community. A bat barrel? Come on now. We start with like one card. Work our way up. Caden Dana. Zach Geloff. All you guys were high on this kid too. 19 out of 49. Nice little team color for Steve A. Noel for Cleveland. Cleveland is Solomon. Drew Romo, Tony's son. 46 out of 99 for the Rockies. Go to Eric T. RGL, can you make more fillers for 46.32? Yep. Request by the chat, by Anthony in chat. Yes. We can do that. That was not a great first box. Yeah, you're welcome. Better than a Drew Thorpe auto? I think Drew Thorpe will be good, actually. He's coming off the surgery, though. But I think he'll be good. Whatever role they have him in. 20 more fillers? The Knoll was one off? It was one off the major bounty. It was. 259 out of 260. Solomon doesn't appreciate you saying that, Chris. He's like, oh man, don't remind me. Gunner, 12 out of 99. Gunner Henderson. Go to Baltimore. Going to Randy. 505's favorite player, Chris Bryant, 27 out of 99. Colorado again. Goldie for the Cardinals, 79 out of 149. Mason Miller on the auto, 74 out of 199. And Brandon Nimmo, 131 out of 149. Going to Robert with the Mets. Chris Bryant goes to the Cubs. I think he left his career there. Mr. Padre. I heard they want to make him a starter next year, Mason Miller. How do you guys feel about that? It's a great closer. Chris Bryant to the non-MLB spot. Wow, you guys are brutal. They're harsh. They are harsh. They might job a Chamberlain him though. He was good as a starter rookie year with the A's. Yeah, but they got to build him back up, and then if he fails, then what do they do? I don't know. Savannah Banana spot for Chris Bryant. Should make that spot. That'd be cool. I hit that Bryant bat knob, and it had to be from the Cubs because he hasn't swung a bat in Colorado in 3 years. Jabba had a drinking issue. I know he did. Ozzy Albies, 60 out of 99. Atlanta, Russell. Colt Keith. Oh. Colt Keith, 171 out of 199. Nice auto underneath. Will the Thrill, 93 out of 99. Will Clark. Go to Solomon. And let's flip it. Shane Beaver for Cleveland, 72 out of 149. Going to Solomon. The natural. Leave it to Beaver. Detroit Colt Keith. Detroit Steve A as well. Danny Dimes. Alright. Got 3 more boxes to go. So we have seen very little in this case. Why do I hate the Royals? Zach Wheeler. 64 out of 125. Trey Turner for the Phillies. 182 out of 199. That's nice. Devers, 7 out of 25. For Boston. Boston Family Pack. Shane McClanahan. This guy hasn't pitched in like 2 years. 186 out of 199. Man, Devers very good. His card market, it's horrible. Not great. Be quiet, 505. Enough slander out of you. They're saying I don't like the Royals. There's a bunch of stuff going on here. What's up, Andrew? You missed all the WWE spots. We'll have more this week. Hopefully. It's Indiana Jones. Oh, you guys.
Indiana Jones in the Temple of Doom.
This half case so far,
Yeah.
it's been
The drizzling.
it's been very bad, RGL.
I'm sorry.
I can't sugarcoat it. Like it's painful. The best auto so far has been a Devers to 25. I don't think the Marlins are in these boxes at all. See, it's starting. Reggie, 38 out of 75 for the Yankees. Going to Mark. Julio Rodriguez. Oh, that's sick. 4 of 5, Julio.
I'll buy that.
Wow, we're going to one-touch that. Going to Josh. Think happy thoughts. Think happy thoughts. 13 out of 49, Jose Ramirez. Going to Solomon. Oh, dude, the Rocky spot has... Wow, 3 out of 49, Larry Walker. Mr. Colorado Rocky, him and Todd Helton. That was the best box so far. We're going to one-touch up the Julio. Who should be an MVP candidate? Not Julio. JML for Jose Ramirez? Oh, definitely. Jose Ramirez should. I thought you were saying Julio. It's like Julio's a fine player, not MVP. I thought you were joining the RGL bandwagon. Everyone's going to be a Mariners fan in the playoffs. Oh, let's go Mariners. 4 or 5, Julio. Boom. I see 0 on the bandwagon. Yeah, it's an awesome looking card. Last box of the break. I do it better because I'm just making fun. Slap the bag. Alright. J-Rod is hot, says Cam Little Truther. Okay, tell us how you really feel. Brooks Lee, 88 out of 125. Jesus Lazardo, 114 out of 149, going to Alex. Tyler Stevenson for the Reds, 51 out of 149. Craig Biggio for the Astros. Going to Paul B, 70 out of 99. Our last card of the break is Westberg, 176 out of 249. So, not all cases created equal in this product, huh? We should make a new, like, short of, like, this is what happens when you don't get a great case. Craig Biggio. Tyler Stevenson. Yeah. Well, Zero, you saw the one from, like, what was it? Last Saturday and Tuesday? It was wild. That's 6 one-of-ones. Not nice to laugh at our... No, I'm laughing because listen. I get into breaks too. You guys know that. I'm not happy when I don't hit anything. But, you know, it's about the friends we make along the way. So. Alright, recap time. I know. Oh. I didn't see this at all. Hold on. You were very... dude, I didn't even hear you. Hold on. Incoming. Carrier pigeon. Oh, it just dropped this off. Carrier pigeon just dropped this off. We have an archive signature courtesy of some guy over there in the chair. Alright. Good luck. Can't do this all the time. Can't do it for every break. World's smallest violin. I'll show you a violin, and you can show me something small. Oh. Jason Dominguez, 1 of 1. Jason Dominguez. Otherwise, the Martian, 1 of 1. Going to the Yankees, going to Mark T. That's awesome. Sick card. Put that in. Now. You want the... Boom! There you go. Alright, now we'll get back to that recap. That is a first edition. It's a sick card. I wish he got more playing time. Thank you, RGL. This was an international refractor. Just take note. Shitaro, about an $80 Shitaro there. Wow, RGL's the best. JML, oh my god. Phil. It's unreal. The slander. The Pigeon Master, I know. The Carrier Pigeon brought that over. It was nuts, crazy. Larry Walker, Rockies had an unbelievable Tier 1. Never thought I would say that. Devers at 25. Cole Keith. I thought you were just going to go like this, RGL. And just, yeah. There's 8x10s in that package. I almost threw it out. So I have to look what's through, I know. I just cursed listen, if you can't make fun of other people and yourself, I don't know. Especially in it's cards. It's supposed to be fun. 1 of 1, Jason Dominguez. Nice Julio, 4 of 5. Sick card. Jordan Sanchez. We believe this to be a $600 card. And Brett Bateman, which Taylor laughed at me for one-touching. So, that is our recap. That is our break. RGL coming in to do the next break. Thank you. We still got break spots, or
we still have spots left in basketball.
okay.
Oh man, I'm so excited for the next break. JML special, Dominus.
You should have had me do that one.
I let you do a good break. And look what happened. You adjusted everything.
I didn't. I hit him a $600 first Bowman someone in this break, and then the carrier pigeon brought down upon us a 1-of-1 Jason Dominguez.
Yeah, but the tier 1 case didn't have 6 1-of-1s.
Don't put me to that. Come on.
JML stressed over here. Monish, you're very welcome for the platinum spot. JML getting fired on stream? I don't think so. Oh my God, Cheesecake with the $5 super chat says RGL and JML the best for real. And this is why we break. This is why we break in this family, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. All right, we did hit a bounce.